Today we're going to talk about finding patterns in ordered pairs. Here I have given you an ordered pair input and output table. We want to find the pattern going across from our input to our output. We know that if the numbers get bigger, we're either going to add or multiply. If the numbers are getting smaller, we're either going to subtract or divide. Here we see the numbers are getting bigger, so we need to find the pattern each way across. Well, I know that 3 times 5 equals 15. Let's see if that's our pattern. 5 times 5 is 25, and 9 times 5 is 45. So our pattern would be to multiply by 5. Now we're going to be working with ordered pairs in a different way. Here they have given us 3 ordered pairs. The first number on each of these is our input, and the second number is our output. They give us 4 answer choices to determine how are we getting from our input to our output. We need to look at each answer choice and try each one to determine what our correct command is. So A says subtract 2, then multiply by 3. So I start out with 5. I'm going to subtract 2, which gives me 3, and then I multiply by 3, which gives me 9. This will not work because our output for our first ordered pairs is 8, so this answer cannot be correct. Now we move on to B. B says multiply by 4, then add 1. If we start out with 5 and we multiply by 4, we get 20, and if we add 1, we get 21. This also won't work because our output needs to be 8. C says to multiply by 3, then subtract 7. If we start out with 5 and we multiply by 3, we get 15. If we subtract 7 from 15, we get 8. That seems to work. But to determine if this is the correct answer, we have to try every single ordered pair. So now I'm going to do the second one. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21, and subtract 7 is 14. That works as well, so I'm going to try the last ordered pair. 9 times 3 is 27, minus 7 is 20. This one seems to work. Before I choose this answer choice, though, I must check all the rest of the answers. So now I'm going to check D. I'm going to go back to my first ordered pair. This says add 5, then multiply by 1. So if I do 5 times 5 is 25. D says add 5, then multiply by 1. If I do 5 plus 5, which is 10, and then multiply by 1, that gives me 10. This does not match our ordered pair, so this cannot be correct. That means our correct answer is C.